Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. With the festive season just around the corner, I know we're all looking for that perfect, glowy makeup look that's both stunning and budget friendly. So, today I'm super excited to share with you an easy, radiant makeup look using affordable products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more makeup tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what your favorite budget product is. Let's begin. Step 1. Prep your skin. First things first, let's prep our skin for that flawless base. I'm using the ELF Holy Hydration Face Cream. It's super affordable and gives the perfect hydration without feeling greasy. Just massage it into your skin and let it sink in for a minute. Step 2. Prime for that glow. Next up, primer. I'm using the Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Highlight. It's a primer and highlighter in one. It gives the most beautiful dewy base, and just dab a little on your cheekbones, forehead, and nose for that lit from within glow. Step 3. Flawless base. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. It's perfect for that radiant finish and blends like a dream. Just apply it with a damp sponge for an airbrushed look. Step 4. Conceal and brighten. To brighten up the under eyes and cover any blemishes, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It's lightweight, buildable, and gives great coverage without creasing. Step 5. Set the base. To set everything in place, I'm using the ELF Halo Glow Setting Powder. It's super fine and keeps the glow intact without looking cakey. Just lightly dust it over your T-zone and under the eyes. Step 6. Warm up the skin. Now let's warm up the skin with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It smells amazing, blends beautifully, and gives a natural sun-kissed look. Step 7. Add a festive blush. For blush, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. It's the perfect peachy pink shade with a subtle shimmer that adds a festive glow to the cheeks. Step 8. Highlight like a pro. Now, for the star of the show, highlighter. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This gives the most blinding glow and is perfect for catching all those holiday lights. Step 9. Eyes that pop. For the eyes, I'm using the ColourPop Bare Necessities palette. It has everything you need for a soft, shimmery look. I'm applying a warm brown shade in the crease and a champagne shimmer on the lids for that festive sparkle. Then, I'm lining my eyes with the NYX Epic Ink Liner for a subtle winged look. And don't forget mascara. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. It's super affordable and gives amazing volume. Step 10. Luscious lips. For the lips, I'm going with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Loyalist. It's a gorgeous nude pink shade that lasts all night. I'm topping it off with a clear gloss from ELF for that extra shine.